Hello and welcome to this video about surferseo, the tool that can help you improve your website's search engine rankings and increase organic traffic. In this video, we will explain what surferseo is, how it works, and why you should consider using it for your website. You can explore this platform in the description also. What is surferseo? Surferseo is an SEO tool that analyzes your website and compares it to your competitors' websites to help you identify areas of improvement. The tool uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your website's content, structure, and other factors, and provides you with suggestions on how to optimize your website to rank higher on search engine result pages. How does surferseo work? Surferseo works by analyzing your website and comparing it to the top-ranked pages for a specific keyword. It then provides you with a comprehensive report that includes detailed recommendations on how to optimize your website to rank higher. The report includes a range of factors, such as keyword density, content length, internal and external links, and more. You can use this information to make changes to your website and improve your SEO.